Welcome to Docneer Hospi Solutions, your trusted partner in healthcare technology. In today's video, we will explore the Maquet SERVO-i Ventilator, a revolutionary solution for respiratory support in critical care. The Maquet SERVO-i Ventilator is a versatile and advanced ventilator designed to provide precise and customizable ventilation for patients in critical condition. This ventilator offers a wide range of features, making it suitable for use in ICU settings, operating rooms, and emergency situations. It ensures optimal respiratory support for patients suffering from conditions like ARDS, COPD, and other life-threatening respiratory issues. Features. Let's go over the standout features of the Maquet SERVO-i Ventilator. 1. Advanced ventilation modes. Offers a variety of modes, including volume-controlled, pressure-controlled, and adaptive support modes for personalized care. 2. Integrated hemodynamic monitoring. Tracks key vital signs and helps healthcare providers make informed decisions. 3. Low maintenance, designed for long-term reliability with minimal servicing required. 4. Integrated alarm system. Provides visual and audible alarms to alert healthcare professionals of any patient condition changes, ensuring safety. 5. Ventilation support for pediatric and adult care. Adjustable settings for precise ventilation control in both pediatric and adult patients. Accessories. The Maquet SERVO-i Ventilator comes with a complete set of accessories to optimize performance and patient comfort. 1. Breathing circuits. Safely delivers oxygen and air to the patient. 2. Ventilator filters. Helps maintain clean airflow for safe patient support. 3. Oxygen supply tubing. Delivers supplemental oxygen when needed. 4. Patient interface options. Includes various masks and adapters for different patient needs. 5. Heated humidifiers. Helps reduce dryness and irritation during long-term ventilation. Where to purchase? You can purchase the Maquet SERVO-i Ventilator from Docneer Hospi Solutions at the lowest guaranteed price in India. Plus, enjoy a warranty of up to 1 year when you make your purchase from Docneer Hospi Solutions. Who are we? We are Docneer Hospi Solutions Private Limited, a company founded by alumni engineers from IIT Bombay and doctors from AIMS Delhi, a direct importer and wholesale medical devices seller approved by the CDSCO Government of India. We support hospitals and doctors by offering high-quality new and refurbished medical equipment at the lowest guaranteed prices across India.